are running out of daylight for filming, so I am going to try and hurry this up. But today we have the Magpul Enhanced Ejection Port cover. This is pretty much brand new. I think I ordered it the exact day that they released it. So I might be one of the first people uploading one of these installs. However, I still need to remove my current ejection port, which might make this kind of a lengthy video. Okay. These magazines are bending my bags. There we go. Okay, so first things first, let's remove this QD sling, get that out of the way. Alright, now we will check to make sure that we don't have any ammunition in the rifle. Does not appear as though a round has magically found its way in there. So, that being said, we can now proceed. From what I understand, from another video that I watched, all I should have to do is remove a C-clamp from this pin here, and that should allow me to slide this right out. Looks as though this is probably the C-clamp in question right here. I am just going to use whatever's closest to me, which in this case is a bobby pin. I never claimed to be an expert. Okay, well, that doesn't seem to be grabbing on anything. Where did I put it? Apologies for this being kind of rough. Like I said before, though, I am trying to hurry. I'm going to try this Exacto knife. See if I can coax it out a little bit. There we go. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. I guess on the plus side, this will be real time, so anyone who's wondering how long does this kind of thing take, you will have... Mind you, this is with improper tools. Really, I should just be like, I don't know. I'm actually not... What kind of tool do you use to get a seat clamp off, actually? You know, it's kind of a strange tool, actually. I've got an idea. Okay. Don't do this. But C-clamps are super cheap and replaceable, so you know what? Why don't we just clip it? Is it still on there? Son of a bitch. Well, didn't expect that. Oh, god damn it. Well, this might end up turning into a fail video. My dumbass can't figure this out. Oh wait, hold on. There it goes. So yeah, that's what's holding on to your rod right here. This is obviously a Smith & Wesson M&P Sport 2. I guess I shouldn't say obviously, but now this should just slide right out. Well, maybe not quite right out, because we are hitting this a little bit, so that's kind of a problem. However, I imagine if we can get the spring off of there, we can probably... Yep, that's what I figured. Okay. Now, I probably marred this just a little bit over here. But we have removed the dust cover. And you guys saw that in real time with an idiot who basically just used some clippers to cut the C-clamp. Now, if you want to retain the C-clamp, by all means, go ahead and find another way to remove it. But yeah, let's take a look at that marring. Let's see if there's not really anything there. Nothing too bad anyways, I can't tell. Okay, now we will do the part that y'all probably came here for, the install on the Magpul Enhanced Ejection Port cover. Of course. Oh, good thing I got that Exacto knife. Just open that up. There's a lot of plastic in there for some reason. Guess it's because it's Magpul. Good golly, is it just entirely plastic? Okay, we're going to cut it from the back. Should have bought that to begin with. There we go. Now, if I was smart, I would have had this all set up, but I do not claim to be smart. Okay, trash. Throw it somewhere. Move some tools because they're not important. Which is probably the best part about this, is that you don't really need any tools. So we've got our instructions here, which is kind of a joke. So installation instructions. Step 1, remove OEM injection port cover. That's what we just did. Now step 2, rotate lever on front of stud. That's this right here. Toward the inside of the EEPC and pull towards the rear to retract the front stud. Alright, so if I understand that correctly, that means I'm going to be pulling that in and retracting it out. Just like so, just like that. And then in. It's not going to stay there. There's no lock there. It doesn't appear that way anyways. So, what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to seat the back in there, and then we will pull that forward, pull it back. Just like that. We've installed a Magpul enhanced ejection port cover. So now we'll do a function test because we don't want to leave here without doing that. So we got our enhanced ejection port cover. We're going to pull back on the rod here. And it does seem to open. And of course, like most ejection ports, you will have to manually close it, which is fine. That's how most of these are designed. That will catch and it will come forward. Oh, that sounded a little crunchy. Oh, that's because it wasn't totally closed. Okay, so troubleshooting, make sure it's totally fully seated and closed. We'll do a few more functions here just to make sure it's working. Alright. Well, that about covers it. So that is the most recent video for my AR-15. And now it has a Magpul ejection port cover. See y'all later.